Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have found just a really awesome belt. This is by Pettata. This is a faux leather belt with a gold buckle. And I got it in the black color as I wear a lot of black, but it comes in many other colors too. I noticed that it is really nice quality material. I haven't seen it falling apart, any signs of wear, even though I've had it for about 2 months. I really like that I can really just maybe dress it up with a blazer, or I could even wear this with jeans as well. I like too that it wasn't like a really hard material, so it felt comfortable to wear around my waist all day. I didn't have any problems with feeling like it was too restrictive. I really like the way it closed as well. It had many holes so you could choose whichever size was going to fit you. I feel like this is just a really classic and chic belt, very versatile, and I'm so happy with it.
And that's my point of view.